Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Introduce myself. My name is Tirta Rizky Ramadan. My student ID 2232123. Class EF Dodo B. I will introduce to Big O notation. The concept of Big O notation is fundamental in computer science, especially when discussing the efficiency and performance of algorithms. Let's dive into it. The type of algorithm based on Big O notation. Introduction to Big O notation. Big O notation describes the upper bound of algorithms in the forms is a for worst case promotions, focusing primarily on its runtime as a function of the input size. It provides is a high level understanding of the algorithm in the terms of its efficiency. Basic principle is an employed notation which means to describe the behavior of function as an input or n grows towards infinity. We typically focus on the highest order term because n becomes very large. Lower order terms become negligible. Constants are usually omitted because we are more interested in how algorithms behave relative in input size. No, know the exact number of operations if the performance. Common class of algorithms based on Big O notation. O when constant the time the running the time of the algorithms thus do depend it is this is on to input data. Whether it is one item or 10 item, it takes same amount the time. Oh, log n logarithmic time. This algorithm reduces the size of a problem in every stop. Typically, behalf binary search is a classic example. ON ON is linear time the running the time of the algorithm grows linearly with the size of input data. For example, simple search algorithms typically run in linear time. O log n arithmetic time often seen in efficient sorting algorithms like Mike-sort and Hep-sort. ON2 ON3 polynomial time algorithm with polynomial time complexity have a running time. That's a polynomial function of the input size. Common example include bubble sort, insert sort, both an O and 2 and certain algorithm of matrix multiplication O and 3. O2n is exponential time algorithm with exponential time complexity double the daily running time and which each additional element in the input data. Many recursive algorithms the like knife solution for following traveling salesman problem fall in this category. Oh, and factorial time algorithm is category grow even faster than exponential algorithms. A common example it is the first forced solution of the traveling salesman problem. Common Big O classes. O when constant time. A algorithm performance is complexity independent of the size of input data. Example accessing a specific index in array. On log n, logarithmic time, the value inserted of logarithmic scale of respect of the input. Commonly seen in algorithm in binary search. Linear time O n is the performance of the algorithm directly proportional to the input data. Example, simple search algorithm traversing is least ons. O n log n linear treatment time. More efficient, the corrective time complexity is both worse than linear activity times. Sin efficient sorting algorithm like Mike sort and quick sort. ON2, ON3 polynomial time. Nested loops are common indication of polynomial time complexities. For indication, double loop indication ON2. Example include bubble sort ON2 and matrix multiplication of often greater on than ON2 for simple algorithms. O2N exponential time algorithms with exponential time complexity double their performance with the additional input for input. Aggressive weak algorithm solving in Fibonacci sequence and BO2N. O2N ON factorial time. The performance discrete factorial and for inserted input. This is often the slowest form of RAN algorithms. This is traveling salesman problem pursuit of solution as complexity. Importance of big O notation. Understanding the big O notation and algorithm helps in comparing is the efficiency the into algorithm and causing the more optimal one. Predicting the running the time and of algorithm on layer of input size. Design if in algorithm in practical of the real world scenario based on in the time complexity. Why is big O important? Understanding the efficiency of algorithm is crucial when selecting the most appropriate solution for a particular problem, especially when dealing with a large data set. Big O notation provide a high level understanding of the algorithm in the term of both time and space complexity. Console Big O notation is powerful for tool aspiring for efficiency of algorithm. By understanding the Big O notation of an algorithms, developer can make informed decisions about which algorithm to use, especially when optimizing for speed and scalability. Big O notation commonly refers to the as order of notation is mathematical way describe the limiting behavior of a function when an argument tends towards a particular value and to or infinity. In computer science, it's used to classify algorithms based on their performance and complexity. Big O, Big O notation is a fundamental concept in computer science, essential for evaluating, for selecting for efficient to algorithm given tasks. While Big O provides theoretical insight, real-world proportion and can also influence by factors like hardware, software optimization, and other external factors. Other aspect of Big O, best average and worst case. Big O usually describe worst case use scenario. However, algorithms may also be analyzed in the terms of the best case, often done as omega and average theta scenarios. Space complexity, while while mine while many prefer of the big O terms, the times complexity I can describe space complexity, how the memory use graph input the size. Thank you.